how to use Twitch Stories feature. First of all, open the Twitch mobile application and then simply tap on your profile. Now, if you want to create a story, there is a plus icon at the end or the middle section just beside browse and activity. So simply tap on the plus icon and you have the option stream from this device. You can upload photos or videos or clips, customize them with text and emotes, and set how long they may stay visible, like from 1 to 48 hours. So tap on there. But to review eligibility before you create stories, you must be a Twitch partner or affiliate and have streamed at least once in the 30 days. So stories are short temporary posts that appear at the top of your followers, homes, and following tabs. So now tap on enable camera while using the app, enable microphone while using the app. And when you tap on got it, you'll go live in 5 seconds. And that's it, guys. So make sure that you have at least 30 subscribers or followers for subscriber only stories. Or you can also post stream recaps after your stream that Twitch will highlight your top clips. So in this way, you will be able to use Twitch Stories feature after you meet the eligibility criteria. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.